Cursor AI is a powerful AI-first coding environment built on top of VS Code. It's designed for developers who want deep control, precision, and consistent results in their coding workflow. Cursor offers advanced autocomplete, a project-wide AI agent called Composer, and fine-tuned context management through features like Cursor Rules and Cursor Ignore. It integrates directly with premium AI models such as Claude and GPT-4, making it a go-to choice for professional developers working on large or complex projects. The pricing is predictable $20/month, gives you a generous number of fast requests plus an unlimited slow queue for when you run out of premium credits. This makes it especially appealing for heavy users who can't risk AI access suddenly cutting off mid-project. Windsurf AI takes a different approach, focusing on a clean, minimalist design with an AI-native interface that's easy to get started with. Its standout feature is Cascade, an agent that automatically scans your project, builds context, and makes intelligent multi-file changes. This hands-off approach is great for beginners or developers who prefer the AI to proactively guide and execute coding tasks. However, Windsurf's credit-based pricing model means you're limited to a set number of premium requests each month, and once those are gone, you can't fall back on slower unlimited AI access like you can with Cursor. Some users have also reported that Cascade can be unreliable for larger edits, occasionally failing or timing out. In terms of performance, Cursor tends to excel at precision and stability, making it ideal for large-scale codebases and long-term projects. Windsurf, on the other hand, shines in usability, offering a more guided experience that's excellent for fast prototyping and smaller projects. Cursor rewards those willing to customize and fine-tune their workflow, while Windsurf prioritizes simplicity and automation. Ultimately, the best choice comes down to your style. Choose Cursor if you value reliability, deep customization, and predictable usage. Choose Windsurf if you prefer a lighter, more intuitive AI coding experience with less setup.